Welcome to Mini Orange. In this video we are going to learn how to configure the Joomla Media Restriction plugin. First log into your Joomla dashboard. Now click on System from the sidebar, then click on Extensions. Here click on the Install from Web tab, then in the search field type Media Restriction. Then click on the Search button. Here click on the Restrict Files plugin from the search result. Now click on the Install button, and then click Install again. Now click on the Start Using Media Restriction plugin button. You have successfully installed the Media Restriction plugin. Now go to the Settings tab and make sure that Enable Media Restriction is toggled on. In the File Types to Restrict section, you can choose which file types to limit access to. With a premium license you can also restrict access to specific folders by including the folder name in the given field. Next you can select your preferred redirect option from the drop-down menu if you have a premium license, and also select your preferred server. Finally click on Save Settings to save your configuration. Now click on the Show Rules button. Here copy the code below and paste it at the start of your htaccess file. Or click on the Write Rules in htaccess directly button. Then click on the Yes button. The htaccess file has been successfully created and the rules are added to it. Now go to the Advanced Settings tab. Here you can enable and configure role-based media restrictions if you have a premium license. And then click on the Save Settings button to save your configuration. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any queries, contact us at joomlasupport@securify.com.